Yo, did you grow up with no dad? Were you dropped on the head? If that's the case, you've come to the right place. You might ask, what is the secret to making a good Dave Bambi song? The answer is some speed. It's speed. So we're just gonna... should be good. So keep in mind, the instrumental will go at half the BPM. So about the instrumental, you usually have two options. We're gonna go for a very simple... What the? So, for the melody, we're gonna go really simple. So you know how the main menu goes like... So, let me make a slight variation of that. Now the next thing, we're gonna need some, you know, like distant surreal sound, how would I call it? So next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make a rise in here. Let's cover the topic of scale. If you're more on the Dave side, you're gonna grab a synth. But if you're more on the Bambi side, God bless your soul. You will have to find some audio that's not fit for making a chromatic, and then make a chromatic out of it.
The fuck you say?
Now classic, you know, scale treatment, we're gonna apply some compression, tiny amount of reverb. Don't go overboard with it. Now, when you're making the vocal line, you have to make sure it's as unplayable as humanly possible. Like so. And that's the bare minimum. So now that our song is done, let's hear it.
How are you not in fucking school? You kiss your mother with that mouth? It's called you kiss your mother with that fucking mouth? Huh?